Today, I'm going to teach you a somatic exercise to help you switch on your parasympathetic or your rest and digest nervous system. Now, if you're like me, you've probably spent a lot of time, maybe even your whole life, in a fight or flight state. And your body probably needs a little bit of help learning how to come out of this state. Now, this practice that we're going to talk about was created by Dr. Peter Levine, the founder of somatic experiencing. His work has transformed how we understand the role of trauma in healing. And we've actually had the honor of having Dr. Levine teach in my membership SelfHealers Circle. So for thousands of years, different cultures have used their voice through singing, through chanting, through humming to calm their nervous system. Now, these vibrations that come along with our voice can actually activate our vagus nerve, the main nerve that runs from our brainstem to every single organ in our body. Now, this nerve influences the way we breathe, our blood pressure, our heart rate, and even our digestion. It controls everything. So you can think of this vagus nerve kind of like the brake pedal for our fight or flight state, helping our body calm down. So now, knowing this, Dr. Peter Levine created a practice that he called Foghorn breathing. You might have heard of it as Voooo breath. So to practice, we first want to find a place where you're alone, you're comfortable, and you feel safe. Then you're going to practice using the word Voooo. And you're going to say it as slowly and as low as you can every time you exhale. So you're going to breathe in and then breathe out like this. Voooo. Right? Think about the sound a foghorn makes. It's like you're recreating that sound with your breath and with your body. Now, the longer and the more steady you can make that Voooo sound, the more you'll feel your belly, your chest, and maybe your whole body begin to vibrate. The more that vibration moves through your body, the more your vagus nerve will activate, sending signals to your system that it's safe to rest. So you can start by doing this about 5 to 8 times, breathing in, and on each exhalation, giving that Voooo breath as long and steady as you can. Now, as you do this, your body will begin to release sympathetic energy, which is simply just stress energy. Think of it as leftover emotional activation, which might make some of you feel like crying, feel like yawning, or even beginning to notice strong, maybe even uncomfortable sensations coming up. If that's the case, we can take a slow, deep breath and continue the practice, allowing our body to release those sensations and ultimately fall back, calm down into that parasympathetic state. Those sensations, those moments of release are signs that your body is processing and finally, some of us for the first time, releasing those emotions. So when you practice, let that sound vibrate through your belly and through your chest. And when you're done, pause and take a moment to check in with yourself and to feel your own body. Afterwards, you might even still notice a little gentle buzzing or vibration, and you might also feel lighter, calmer, more at ease. Those heavy emotions might not feel as overwhelming because your body is finally getting the message that it's safe. I hope this practice is helpful, and please feel free to share it with anyone and everyone that could use the foghorn breath to help them calm down. Now, after you try this Voooo breath, I'd love to hear what you noticed shift. Was it tension? Was it mood? Was it your energy? Leave it in the comments below.